Hi, this is Rachelle, and this is a flip through of the Drink Box Junk Journal that I started some time ago. The cover measures 3 inches by 4.5 inches, and it was upcycled from a drink box. The spine is 1.5 inches, and the cover is collage and mixed media. It has hand dyed seam binding for the closure, and there is a bit of stitching throughout as accents. The journal contains 6 signatures. It has wood beads on the stitch tails. The journal has 72 pages, that's fronts and backs. The pages in the journal consist of coffee and tea stained papers as well as hand dyed papers. It also has embellishments and ephemera throughout. It includes plenty of writing space as well as flips, tucks, and pockets. The journal is available in the shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. I will link to it in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment, and I will holler at y'all next time. Bye.